Elsie.
And I'm Debbie.
And we're two sisters Southern cooking.
Hey y'all, it's Debbie. So we are over here doing the grape arbors. This is the last one of the 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Just follow along. So we are done with this portion of it. We got to take away all of these arbor vines and bushes and little mini trees and everything that we've cut out. So we are down to the wire. So all we have to do is get the rest of these little bushes up and then we'll be done. I got to introduce you to somebody here. This is Jackson. Hi, Jackson. Say hi to everybody. He's purring up a storm. Yeah, he's a handsome fella. Yeah. All right, guys. We will see you in our next video. You have a blessed day.
I'm Elsie.
And I'm Debbie.
And we're two sisters Southern cooking.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you.